Tides are mainly caused by the moon's gravitational pull on Earth. As the moon orbits the Earth, its gravitational force lifts our oceans, creating high and low tides. A quiet reminder that the moon influences life on Earth more than we might think. But there's another powerful rhythm that affects not just the sea, but all of life on Earth. This rhythm takes longer, and we call it the seasons. Many people believe that seasons occur because the Earth moves closer or farther from the Sun. But that's a common myth. In truth, the difference in distance is small. It doesn't cause the seasons. In fact, Earth is closest to the Sun in early January, when it's winter in the Northern Hemisphere. So if distance were the cause, winter would be warmer. The real reason for the seasons is this. Earth's axis is tilted about 23.5 degrees. As Earth orbits the Sun, this tilt causes different parts of the planet to receive more or less sunlight. When your part of Earth is tilted toward the sunlight is more direct and the days are longer. That's when you feel summer. When it tilts away, the sunlight is weaker and days are shorter. Welcome winter. So while the tides are guided by the moon, the seasons are shaped by the tilt of our spinning planet as it orbits the Sun. It's not how close we are to the Sun that matters, but how we lean. In some parts of the world, this results in 4 distinct seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. But here in Uganda, we experience something different. Because Uganda lies near the equator, the amount of sunlight stays nearly the same all year. Instead of 4 seasons, Uganda has 2 main seasons: the wet season and the dry season. Uganda's wet seasons usually come from March to May, and again from September to November. During these months, rainfall is more frequent, which is essential for farming. The dry seasons come from December to February, and again from June to August. With fewer rains and warmer temperatures. These seasonal patterns are deeply connected to the rhythm of life. From farming and water availability to wildlife and daily living. So from the moon's pull on the tides to the sun's light-shaping seasons across the world, Earth's rhythms are all connected. And here in Uganda, even without snow or falling leaves, the rhythm of rain and sun tells our seasonal story. Every day, we wake up to the light of a new morning. And every night, we watch the sun disappear as the sky turns dark. But have you ever wondered why this happens? Why the sun seems to rise, move across the sky, and then set? The rotation of the Earth on its axis is what causes day and night on our planet. The Earth spins around an imaginary line called the axis, which passes through the North and South poles. The side of the Earth that faces the Sun receives sunlight, so it experiences daytime. The side that is turned away from the Sun is in shadow and receives little or no sunlight, so it experiences nighttime. As the Earth continues to rotate, different parts move into and out of the sunlight, giving us the cycle of day and night. It takes about 24 hours for the Earth to make one full turn, creating one full day-night cycle. The Sun appears to move across the sky from east to west, but this motion is only apparent. In reality, the Sun is nearly stationary relative to the Earth over the course of a day. The daily movement we see is caused by the Earth rotating on its axis from west to east, which makes the Sun, Moon, stars, and other celestial objects appear to rise in the east and set in the west. At the same time, the changing seasons show how the Earth's movement around the Sun affects our weather, environment, and way of life. Today, scientists can study these changes not only from the ground, but also from space. Satellites help us observe the Earth, predict weather, and improve communication across the world. In our next episode, we will explore satellites and communication and see how Uganda's first satellite, Pearl Africa Sat-1, deployed from the International Space Station, is helping to monitor and support development from space.